Uncle Dibbz Surf and Turf Special. And the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Texas steak rub and that straight drop rub.
First, cut down the center of your lobster tail, pull the meat out, and lay the lobster meat over the shell. Now we're gonna prep our steaks. Olive oil, and then use that Uncle Dibbz Texas steak rub for seasoning. Get it at UncleDibbz.com. Throw your ribeyes in the skillet. Give the steaks a flip. Add some garlic, some butter, and then your herbs. I'm using thyme and rosemary. Pull your steaks off and let them rest. Now let's make the garlic butter for our lobster. Add some garlic and butter to your skillet, and then come on top with that straight drop rub for that flavor. Brush the garlic butter on your lobster. Throw it in the oven, 400 degrees, for 15 minutes. Now let's get our Valentine's Day surf and turf together. Fellas, if she don't propose to you after this, she ain't the one. Look at that, shawty.
That's good, shawty.